Spring is finally here, and your bonsai is waking up. But if you don't take the right steps now, you could be setting your tree up for weak growth, or worse, long-term damage. So, how do you get your bonsai off to a strong start this season? Stick around, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know about spring bonsai tree care. And hey, if you're into bonsai and want more tips like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Part 1. Why spring care matters. Spring is when your bonsai comes back to life after winter dormancy. This means new buds, fresh growth, and the perfect opportunity to shape and strengthen your tree. But with all this new energy, your bonsai also has higher needs: more water, more nutrients, and, in some cases, more pruning. Have you noticed your bonsai putting out fresh leaves or buds yet? Let me know in the comments what stage your tree is at. Part 2. Watering and soil check. As temperatures rise, your bonsai will start drinking more water. But don't just water on autopilot. Check the soil first. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top layer of soil feels slightly dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can stunt growth. Quick tip: spring is a great time to check your soil quality. If it's compacted, drains too fast, or holds too much moisture, you may need to repot your tree. I have a whole video on bonsai soil requirements. Check it out after this one. Part 3. Fertilizing for growth. Your bonsai has been running on reserves all winter, so now's the time to feed it. Use a balanced fertilizer with nitrogen to promote strong growth. But be careful. Too much fertilizer can cause weak, leggy growth. Do you fertilize your bonsai regularly, or is it something you forget to do? Part 4. Pruning and styling. Spring is perfect for bonsai pruning techniques because your tree is actively growing. Trim back unwanted branches to refine the shape and encourage compact growth. If you're working on bonsai styling techniques like wiring, be mindful. Branches grow quickly in spring, and wires can bite in faster than you expect. If you're unsure about pruning, start slow. Focus on removing dead or crossing branches first. Need a detailed guide? Let me know in the comments, and I might make a full video on it. Part 5. Pest prevention and health checks. With warmer weather comes a higher risk of common bonsai diseases and pests. Check under the leaves for aphids, spider mites, or fungus. A weak or yellowing tree might be a sign of a deeper issue. If you spot anything unusual, take action early. Have you ever had to deal with pests on your bonsai? Share your experience below. I'd love to know what worked for you. Part 6. Repotting and root care. Not all bonsai need repotting in spring, but if you notice slow drainage, weak growth, or roots circling the pot, it's time. Bonsai repotting instructions vary by species, so make sure you're using the right technique. Taking care of your bonsai in spring sets the stage for a healthy, thriving tree all year long. Which of these tips was most helpful for you? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more, check out my other videos on beginner bonsai tips. It's packed with useful advice to keep your tree in top shape. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our bonsai community for more tips and discussions. See you in the next one.